Hey guys, just want to show you this quick push game that I just got. It's going viral everywhere. Everybody's talking about it. We got the orange color. You have to put 3 AAA batteries in the back before you can start. Once you put them in, press the power button. You're going to press this button in right here. When you press this in, it's going to reset all of these. See? There you go. Turn it on.
Remember scoring mode.
This game is a lot of fun. It's great for memorization, eye-hand coordination, focus. If you have a kid or an adult that needs to focus a little bit more, it's really, really a fun game. Highly recommend you go out and try this. Great gift too for the holidays.